In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make reflections in Figma in just 5 minutes. We're going to explore a few simple steps to transform any text into a reflected work of art using Figma's powerful design tools. So, if you're ready to enhance your design skills with this neat trick, we're going to get started. First, you'll need to have Figma open. Head over to Figma, the collaborative interface design tool where magic happens. If you're not already logged in, take a moment to click on Log In, located at the upper right corner of the screen. Once logged in, you'll find yourself on the home page of Figma. This page is the gateway to all your design projects, both past and present. Next, navigate over to the Design tab. This is where all the action takes place and where we'll be working to create that stunning reflection effect. Once you're in the design section, your canvas is ready for you to add your creativity. Now click on text to add some text to your design area. It's important to choose the text you want to reflect carefully, as this will be the main focal point of your design. With your text selected, the next step is to duplicate it. Duplication is simple, just select your text layer and use the duplicate function. On Windows, this is usually Ctrl+D, and on Mac, it's Command+D. This creates an exact copy of your text, which will soon be transforming into a reflection. The magic starts now by flipping the duplicated text. You can do this by selecting the rotate tool and choosing the flip vertically option. What this does is mirror your original text, giving that upside down reflection look beneath it. It's amazing how much a simple flip can alter the dynamics of your design. Moving on to refining this reflection, you need to adjust the opacity and effects. Select your flipped text and navigate to the effects panel where you can tweak the opacity settings. Lowering the opacity gradually will create a realistic reflection that fades away, much like how reflections appear in real life. You might want to experiment a bit here to get it just perfect. With these steps complete, you've successfully created a mirrored text effect in Figma. By adjusting and playing around with the opacity, you can enhance this further to fit into the overall theme of your design. Remember, design is all about creativity and finding what suits your style best, so feel free to explore different fonts, colors, and effects to make your design truly stand out. Thank you for following along with me, and I hope you found this tutorial informative and straightforward. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more design insights and tips. Happy designing!